Hi, I'm Linda Steele, your trusted real estate advisor for life. I've got a new listing to share with you. Let's go take a look. The property is located in the Riverpark tract, next door to the ever-popular Collections at Riverpark. You won't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. It is upgraded and features a stunning open floor plan concept with 9-feet ceilings throughout, central heating and energy-efficient can lighting. The upgraded tile floors help to keep up with the high traffic area and make sanitizing and cleanup a snap. The gourmet kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, upgraded modern chestnut color cabinets with plethora of cabinet spaces, stainless steel double sinks along with the oversized granite island countertops and breakfast bar to boot. Tremendous dining space which opens into the family room, ideal for entertaining. Downstairs offers a guest bathroom. The entire home shows light and bright. All bedrooms are located upstairs. Master bedroom offers its own private full bath and walk-in closet. A color specialist was hired from Dunn Edwards to pick out designer colors for the walls, bedrooms, trims, and doors. The seller even installed new carpeting throughout, in all the right places. A stackable washer and dryers upstairs for added convenience. This property offers a 2-car garage, direct access from the kitchen for added security and convenience. This active community features 6 parks, a picnic area, bike trail, dog park, school, and easy access to the 101 freeway. And did I mention the Collections? It's literally across the street. Featured highlights includes shopping at Whole Foods, Starbucks, and Target, dining, entertainment, 24-hour fitness, and more. Interested? Don't miss out on this opportunity to make this place your new home. Again, I'm Linda Steele, your trusted real estate advisor for life. Call me now. Don't wait. You can reach me at 805-298-3855.